Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today's topic read and match the words to the correct pictures. Students, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. The first picture is hat, and here are the spellings of hat. Now we will match the hat with its spelling like this. Next one is fan, and here are the spellings of fan. Now we will match the fan with its spelling like this. Another one is bag, and here are the spellings of bag. Now we will match the bag with its spellings like this. Another one is cat, and here are the spellings of cat. Now we will match the cats with its spellings like this. Next one is apple, and here are the spellings of apple. Now we will match the spellings of apple with its picture like this. And last one is mask, and here are the spellings of mask. Now we will match the spellings of mask with its picture like this. Okay students, it's our today lesson. I hope you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.